Hey guys, so I have the February Glamour Jewelry box for you guys, and I'm going to unbox this. They do send me this for review purpose. I am not sponsored though, and they do give me a coupon code. It's for your benefit. I make no compensation from it. Just want to be totally upfront with you guys. Down below, I'll also leave their link if you're interested in signing up. I think it's $29.99 or $29.95 a month for I think 3 pieces of jewelry. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Also, if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and my links for my Instagram are down below if you want to follow me there. So let's go ahead and jump into this baby. And all their boxes come with this little card that says glamour is shine and confidence, and then it's just kind of like thanking you and giving you their Instagram handle, and you know, telling you to use the hashtag for a Glamour Jewelry box. And they have incorporated these little cards since the one that I got in January, and I really like this because it gives you the retail price and the value of the box itself. So this month's box is valued at $83, and the first thing in here is a rhinestone necklace. So it's a Kendra Scott inspired hexagon necklace, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So each month it comes in a little velvet kind of like soft bag, and I like that they bring these in here because a lot of fantasy jewelry, you want to keep it separate or in a little bag like this, so that way it doesn't tarnish as fast. And so far everything that they've sent me has lasted. I've had stuff for like months now, and it's still in great condition because I usually keep my things separate. So yeah, so let's go ahead and jump in here. So it's in the little baggie, and I see that they're in little baggies as well in here. So let me see. Okay, I think this is the necklace. So it's in a little baggie as well. And I purposely didn't wear jewelry so I could actually try them on for you guys. So it is in gold, and that is what it looks like. I love little necklaces like this that are very dainty, and just simple and beautiful. Let me go ahead and try this on. And it does have 3 different clasps, so you, depending on your neck size, you can wear this either shorter or longer. Okay, so this is what the necklace looks like. I put it on the second hole, so if I were to put it on the smallest hole, it would be way too tight for my neck. It would literally be like a choker on here. If you're into that, then definitely you could do that, or I could loosen it just a tad bit, but I do like where it's at right there. I do think that this would be really nice to layer with other necklaces, just because it's just a beautiful little small piece, so you could actually put like another necklace and really layer it. Okay, so I'm going to let you know this is worth $25. Okay, so the next one in here is the oval stone bracelet. This is worth $34. It's a stunning stone bracelet which adds a pop of color, and it says it's a cuff, so you can actually adjust it. So this is what it looks like. It's almost like old gold, you know. It almost has like kind of like almost like if it was like oldish, kind of like antique looking, which is kind of, I don't know, it depends on if you like that or not. If you like it to look brand new, then this, you're probably not gonna like this, but it almost has like that rustic feel to it, almost like as if, I don't know, like it was like your grandmother's or something like that. And that is what the stones look like. They almost remind me of jade. Is it jade? I think that is green like that, and it has the 2 stones in the middle. This is the smallest it'll go, I think. Yeah, it's just the way it comes, so you could actually open it up more. For me, I have a small wrist, so it's still a little too big on me, a reason why I don't really wear a lot of bracelets. Next up, and the last thing in here, is the stone earrings. This is worth $24. There's turquoise earrings which pair well with the oval stone bracelet and looks great on its own as well. I like when they combine stuff, just so that way you can like have some pieces that combine. And this is what they look like, and I did see these as a preview. They sent me an email, and they were choosing, like they were having people vote between 2 earrings, and they both were so beautiful, but I wasn't able to vote in time. And this is what they look like. They're almost the ones that you put through and they dangle. So I'm going to go ahead and try these for you guys. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're just very simple just have the little stone hanging. I really like simple things like this, so this is very beautiful, and it goes well with the bracelet, so it makes like a good combination for it. So these are the 3 pieces. I have to say, out of all of them, I love the necklace the most. I would say the earrings next, and then the bracelet last, just because, like I said, I'm not that big on bracelets. And yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your thoughts on this month's box? Is this something that you're interested in? A lot of you guys seem to really like my last video, my January unboxing on them, so I'd love to hear your opinion down below. Is this something that you're interested in getting? I'd love all your feedback. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until the next one, bye guys.